What is Java? Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995. It is platform-independent, meaning code written in Java can run on any device that supports Java Virtual Machine (JVM). What are the main features of Java? Platform independence, object-oriented, robust, secure, multi-threaded. Main features of Java with simple explanations and examples. Platform independence. Explanation: Java is called write once, run anywhere, VORA. It means you can write a Java program on one computer, and it will work on any other computer, regardless of the operating system, like Windows, Linux, or Mac. This is possible because Java code is converted into an intermediate form called bytecode, which runs on the Java Virtual Machine (JVM). Example: if you create a Java program on a Windows PC to calculate the sum of two numbers, you can copy the program to a Mac or Linux machine, and it will work without any changes. Code giving below. Explanation: Java is based on the principles of object-oriented programming, OOP, which means it uses objects, real-world entities like cars, animals, or bank accounts, to represent data and behavior. Key OOP concepts in Java include inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. Example: imagine you have a class called car. You can create objects like car1 and car2 that represent individual cars. Code giving below. Explanation: Java is reliable and can handle errors effectively. It has strong memory management and tools like garbage collection to automatically free unused memory. Additionally, Java's exception handling mechanism helps manage errors smoothly without crashing the program. Example: Java prevents common programming errors like dividing by zero or accessing invalid memory locations. Code giving below. Explanation: Java provides a secure environment by not allowing harmful programs to access your computer's memory directly. Its security features include the absence of pointers, the use of the Java sandbox for running code, and bytecode verification to ensure safe execution. Example: if you download a Java program from the internet, it will run in a restricted environment, sandbox, to prevent it from accessing sensitive files on your computer. Multi-threaded. Explanation: Java can perform multiple tasks simultaneously by using threads. For example, one thread can handle user input while another processes data in the background. This makes Java efficient and fast in executing tasks. Example: imagine a program where you download a file while listening to music. Code giving below. High performance. Explanation: Java achieves high performance by using a just-in-time (JIT) compiler, which converts bytecode into native machine code for faster execution. Additionally, Java's multithreading and efficient memory management contribute to its performance. Example: if you create a program to process large amounts of data, Java's JIT compiler optimizes the execution to handle the workload efficiently. Code giving below. What is the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM? What it is: JDK, Java Development Kit. JDK is a complete package for developers. It includes tools like the compiler to convert code into bytecode, debugger, and libraries to write and build Java applications. Layman explanation: think of JDK as a toolbox for a carpenter. Just as a carpenter needs tools to create furniture, a developer needs the JDK to create Java programs. Example: if you want to write a Java program to calculate the area of a circle, you'll use the JDK to write and compile the program. Code given below. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. What it is? JRE is needed to run Java programs. It provides the libraries and the JVM required for program execution. Layman explanation: if JDK is the carpenter's toolbox, JRE is the workshop where you can see the finished furniture. It doesn't help in creating furniture, code, but is essential for using it. What it is? JVM is part of the JRE. It takes the bytecode, an intermediate form of Java code created after compilation, and converts it into machine code that your computer can understand and execute. Layman explanation: think of JVM as a translator. If you write a letter in one language, Java bytecode, JVM translates it into the language your computer understands, machine code. Key difference recap. Feature purpose layman example. JDK to develop Java programs, a carpenter's toolbox. JRE to run Java programs, the workshop to view the furniture. JVM to execute bytecode, a translator for your computer. Platform independence. Java is platform independent because it uses the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. Once you write a Java program, you can run it anywhere, regardless of the operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux. Layman explanation: think of Java as a video format that plays on any device, TV, phone, or laptop, without needing conversion. Example: a Java program written on Windows can run on a Mac without changes. C++. Platform independence. C++ is platform dependent, meaning the program needs to be compiled separately for each operating system. Layman explanation: it's like making different power adapters for each country because the plugs differ. Example: a C++ program compiled on Windows won't run on Linux unless recompiled. Java automatically handles memory cleanup with garbage collection, so developers don't need to manually delete unused objects. Layman explanation: imagine having a cleaner who automatically removes trash from your room without you worrying. Example: Java will free up memory used by old data automatically during runtime. C++. C++ does not have garbage collection. Developers must manually manage memory. Layman explanation: it's like you having to clean your room yourself. If you forget, the room gets messy, memory leaks. Example: in C++, you need to write delete object to free up memory explicitly. Java doesn't allow direct use of pointers to access memory, making it safer and less error-prone. Layman explanation: think of Java as a smartphone where you can only access apps through the main menu, not their inner workings. Example: you won't write code to directly access memory locations in Java. C++. C++ allows direct use of pointers, giving more control but also more chances to cause errors. Layman explanation: C++ is like having access to the wiring of your house. You can fix things but also cause a short circuit if not careful. Example, you can manipulate memory directly with code like int *p is equal to and x in C++. Key difference recap. Feature Java C++. Platform runs anywhere, platform independent, needs recompilation for each platform. Memory management automatic, garbage collection, manual, developer manages memory. Pointers restricted for safety, fully supported for control. What are the OOP principles in Java? Encapsulation. What it means, hiding the internal details of an object and only exposing the necessary parts. Layman explanation, think of a TV remote. You press buttons to change channels but don't need to know how the internal circuits work. Example, in Java, you use getters and setters to access private data. Inheritance. What it means, reusing properties and methods from a parent class in a child class. Layman explanation, it's like a family tree. You inherit traits like eye color or height from your parents. Example, a child class, car, inherits common properties from a parent class, vehicle. Polymorphism. What it means, one action can behave differently based on the context. Layman explanation, imagine the word run. You can run a race, run a program, or run a company, depending on the situation. Example, method overloading, same method name, different parameters. Abstraction. What it means, showing only essential features and hiding unnecessary details. Layman explanation, it's like driving a car, you only care about steering and braking, not the engine mechanics. Example, using abstract classes. OOP principle explanation example. Encapsulation hides details, uses getters, setters, TV remote controls access. Inheritance reuse properties from parent class, car inherits from vehicle. Polymorphism same action, different behavior, method overloading, overriding. Abstraction focus on important features, hide details, car steering versus engine.